Yeah. Good evening, children. Good evening,
Good
online
evening, ma'am.
students. Good evening. Good evening. Yeah, I hope you remember I had mentioned a test. Okay. So this is the question. This is a test question. Mark this. If A is equal to 8 plus 3 root 7 and B is equal to 1 by A, find A square plus B square. Yeah, but write down the question. So get B, find B with a rational denominator, then find A plus B, and then square that equation on both the sides. We have A already. B is 1 by 8 plus 3 root 7. The denominator is irrational, so rationalize it by using the conjugate. Then you'll get B also with a rational denominator. Find A plus B and then square that equation on both the sides to get the value of A square plus B square. Yeah, what's B? Found B? Online children? What is the expression for B after rationalizing the denominator? One into 8 minus 3 root 7 is 8 minus 3 root 7 divided by A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. Correct? Then B is equal to 8 minus 3 root 7 divided by 8 square is 64 minus, what is 3 root 7 into 3 root 7? 3 threes are 9. Root 7 into root 7? 7. And 9 sevens are 63. So 63. So B is equal to 64 minus 63 is 1. So, no. 8 minus 3 root 7. That is his nature. That's not your nature. Okay. Next, find A plus B, children. Next, find A plus B. 8 plus. Okay, ma'am. Oh, okay. Okay, ma'am. No problem. No, sit here, sit here. Don't get distracted. Size of dish. Focus. Very important. So now we've got A plus B is 16. Square this equation on both the sides to find the value of A square plus B square. Yeah. Hello. Yes.
Good evening, ma'am. I just joined. I had network issues, so what I have a doubt. What happened all this time? I'm sorry, I'm late. I had some network issues.
Yeah, take down this question, and I'd announced a test in the last class, right? So that's what we're doing.
Okay, miss.
This is the question.
Okay, thank you.
Physical class வந்தா network issue இருக்காது. You need to call. You can use that. Okay, so since I'm not getting responses, I assume that you have not practiced, you're not ready for the test. So see the answer here. Please take the help of the slide and complete it. Listen to me first. So A is 8 plus 3 root 7. The denominator, okay, so the denominator is rational because the denominator is 1. It is rational. So it's good. Now, what is B? B is equal to 1 by A. That means B is a reciprocal of A. That's the meaning. B is equal to 1 by A. B is equal to A, meaning B is equal to A. B is equal to 1 by A, meaning B is the reciprocal of A. So B is 1 by A. So see at 1 by, what is A? This is A. So 1 by A. Can you see that? Yeah, now the denominator is irrational. So we'll have to rationalize using the conjugate. So that's what you see here. So B is equal to 8 minus 3 root 7. You can see the denominator is 1, which is rational. Now, after this, you need to find A plus B. A plus B, 16. I have found A minus B also because you need for this. What is A minus B? This is A minus, this is B. See, this is A, and this is B. This is B. Take the ones with the rational denominator. Don't take this one for B. You'll have to use this. Okay. So A is given to us here in the question, A minus B. All right. Okay. When you open the bracket, it will be minus 8, minus into minus plus 3 root 7. Where are you seeing? Look at the board. Okay. 8 minus 3, 8 plus 3 root 7, minus 8 plus 3 root 7. All right. So 8 and minus 8 gets cancelled. So 3 root 7 and 3 root 7. Like 3x and 3x is 6x. So 6 root 7. A minus B is 6 root 7. All right. Don't, I have done, don't look at this one. Don't look at this one. Okay, so now we are good to go. Now find A square plus B square. What is A plus B? A plus B is equal to 16. A plus B is equal to 16. Square it on both sides. So A plus B, the whole square is equal to 16 square. Correct? So A square plus 2AB plus B square is equal to 16 square, which is 256. So A square plus B square plus what's the value of AB? See, I found here. What's AB? A into B. A into B. 1. Why? Because again, this is like A plus B into A minus B. So A square minus B square. It's 1. AB is 1. So 2 into 1. A square plus B square plus 2AB. 2 into 1 is equal to 256. So A square plus B square is equal to 256 minus 2. Plus 2 on the other side, minus 2. So A square plus B square is equal to 254. So now I'll tell you what I've done here. See, you can also use the identity. What is A plus B the whole square? It's A square plus 2AB plus B square, right? Okay, I'll just write it this way. A square plus 2AB plus B square is equal to A plus B the whole square. Now, a square plus b square is equal to a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. This is right. We need to, I've just used the identity there. That's it. See, we have to find a square plus b square, right? So it's a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. I'll write it again. A square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b the whole square. So a square plus b square is equal to transpose a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. So that's what I've used here. See, I've used that identity here. Okay, so a square plus b square. A square plus b square is equal to a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. So what all I need to substitute here, I found it. I found all of them here. So I need to use the value of a plus b. We've already found it 16, so 16 square. And 2ab, 2 into 1, 2. So 256 minus 2, which is 254. And a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b is 16, a minus b is 6 root 7. So 16 into 6 root 7, which is 96 root 7. Write down. You know each other, right? You know each other. Done?
No, ma'am.
Finished? No, no, no. Let him come out. Completed online children?
Yes, ma'am. Not yet, ma'am.
Not yet. So we have to first find b with the rational denominator, then find a plus b. All this is pre-work. A plus b, a minus b, and ab. Find a plus b, find a minus b, find ab. Now answer the questions. A squared plus b squared, use identity. A plus b the whole square minus 2ab. Substitute the values. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. You have already found the values. Use them and find the answer. Yeah. Similar question. I don't think you're all confident because I'm not getting any answers from the online students also. So let me show you the answer. You can take the help of the slide and do it. Yeah. I'll just take you through the answer quickly. See here. So x is equal to, is it the same thing? 3 root 7. Oh, 1 second. Yeah, we'll do this one. Yeah, we'll do this one. Yeah. So here a is equal to 2 minus root 5 by 2 plus root 5. A is equal to 2 minus root 5 by 2 plus root 5. Now, the denominator, is it rational or irrational? Irrational. So you'll have to rationalize it. You'll have to rationalize it, right? Okay. Then what about for B? What is B? B is equal to 1 by A. B is equal to 1 by A. That is the reciprocal of A. So B is equal to 2 plus root 5 by 2 minus root 5. B is the reciprocal of A. Correct? So B is 2 plus root 5 by 2 minus root 5. So again, the denominator is irrational, so we'll have to rationalize it. So see here. I've rationalized the denominator for A. So here you have it. A and B. A and B. The question is to find A square minus B square. How do you find A square minus B square? It's A plus B into A minus B. So you need to find the value of A plus B, the value of A minus B, and then multiply the two. So you see, first A denominator is irrational. So rationalize the denominator. B denominator is irrational. Rationalize the denominator. So you should first find A and B with rational denominators. That's the first step. Then find A plus B. After that, find A minus B. Now, the product of these two answers, A plus B into A minus B, will be the value of A square minus B square. Yeah. Take the help of the slide and work it.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
I can't understand the part, ma'am. A plus B is equal to 4 root 5 minus that part.
This one, huh?
Yes, ma'am. From that, I can't understand.
Okay, A plus B. This is A, right? I've written that in a
Yes.
bracket. Yeah, plus this is B. I've written that also in a bracket. Now open the brackets. So it'll be 4 root 5 minus 9 minus 4 root 5 minus 9. So now plus 4 root 5 minus 4 root 5 gets cancelled. So minus 9 is minus 18. Then in the case of A minus B, again A minus B. But when you open the bracket, when you open the second bracket, it will be plus 4 root 5 plus 9 plus 4 root 5 plus 9. So here minus 9 and plus 9 gets cancelled, and 4 root 5 plus 4 root 5 is 8 root 5. Now we need to find A square minus B square, which is A plus B into A minus B minus 18 into 8 root 5, which is minus 144 root 5.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I understood, ma'am.
Very good. Finished? Done?
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's just work it again together. So A is what? 2 minus root 5. You don't have to work it again. Okay. The 2 minus root 5 by 2 plus root 5. The denominator is irrational. So we'll have to rationalize it. What's the conjugate? 2 minus root 5. So multiply and divide by. Yeah. Now what do you have in the numerators? 2 minus root 5 into 2 minus root 5. Like A minus B into A minus B. So it's A minus B the whole square. Okay, so 2 minus root 5 the whole square. When you multiply the numerators, 2 minus root 5 the whole square divided by denominators in the form A plus B into A minus B. A squared minus B squared, because 2 plus root 5 into 2 minus root 5. So A plus B into A minus B, which is A squared minus B squared. Now the numerator you'll have to expand. Okay, using the identity A minus B the whole square is equal to A minus B the whole square is equal to. Sai Siddesh. Now you can be loud. A minus B the whole square is equal to, complete the identity. Yeah, who can tell me?
A square plus A square minus B is
Yeah, repeat. Vocal cords இப்பதான் pitch ஜாஸ்தியா இருக்கும். A square minus 2AB plus B square. A square minus 2 into A into B. 2 into 2. Yeah, I'm watching you, Siddesh. Plus B square. 5 the whole square. See? Divided by 4 minus 5. Yeah. So 2 square minus plus by minus 1. So how do we handle that minus in the denominator? So A is equal to, what is 4 plus 5? 9. 9 minus 4 root 5 divided by minus 1, right? Minus? Very good. So take the minus 1, the denominator is 1, that you can ignore, but the minus in the denominator you cannot ignore. So take the minus up to the numerator and write the expression in the numerator in a bracket. Write the expression in the numerator in a bracket and take the minus up. Now it is just 1 here, which can be ignored. Yeah, now this 1 can be ignored. We have taken the minus up to the numerator. So A is equal to minus 9 plus 4 root 5. Or you can also write it as A is equal to 4 root 5 minus 9. You can leave it like this also. Or you can write this, you can write the positive term first, 4 root 5 minus 9. Okay, so that's what we got here. 4 root 5 minus 9. Can you see here? A is equal to 4 root 5 minus 9. Now this is what have we done? We've just rationalized the denominator for the expression, for this expression which is given for A. This expression which was given for A, the denominator was irrational. So we have rationalized the denominator, that's all. We are still working with A. Now we'll have to work with B. What's B? B is the reciprocal of A. So B is equal to 2 plus root 5 by 2 minus root 5. Right? Again, the denominator is irrational. So we have to rationalize the denominator using the conjugate, right? Yeah, now Siddesh, what's the numerator like? The numerator is in the form. No, this is in the form A plus B into A plus B into A plus B. What's A plus B into A plus B? A plus B the whole square. A plus B the whole square. Okay, so 2 plus root 5 the whole square divided by the denominator. The denominators are like A minus B into A plus B. A minus B into A plus B. So what's the product? A minus B into A plus B is A square minus B square. A square minus B square. 2 square minus root 5 the whole square. Now expand the numerator. Yeah, Hari Darshan. What's A plus B the whole square? A plus B the whole square. Yeah, what is it? A square. A square plus 2AB plus B square. So A square plus 2AB, 2 into root 5 plus B square divided by 4 minus 5. So 2 square is 4 plus 4 root 5 plus 5 divided by again minus 1. So 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 4 root 5. So take the minus after the numerator. But enclose the expression in the numerator in a bracket. The expression which is in the numerator, put it in a bracket and then take this minus up. And now it's by 1, which can be ignored. You can ignore this. So now multiply this minus sign with every term in the bracket. So it will be minus 9 minus 4 root 5. Now both the terms are negative. So earlier we had one positive, one negative term. So we put that positive term first. Now here both are negative. So just leave it like this. So now we have found A and B with rational denominators. We found A and B with rational denominators. So we have now to, find, understand what else to find to evaluate A square minus B square. To find the value of A square minus B square, what else you need to find? So we have A and B with rational denominators. A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus B. So now you'll have to work A plus B, get the value of A plus B, A minus B, find the value of A minus B, and the product of these two will be the value of A square minus B square.
Mom, I'm having a doubt.
Yeah, just 1 second. So this is A, this is B, okay, with rational denominator. So this is A plus B. See, remember A minus B, write A, the expression for A in a bracket, expression for B in a bracket, and connect them with a minus sign. Then you'll have to open the bracket, minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus. When it is A plus B, it's okay even if you don't write the bracket. It's okay if you don't put this bracket also, when it's A plus B. But A minus B, A in a bracket, B in a bracket, the expression for A in a bracket, the expression for B in a bracket, and they're separated by a minus sign. Now when you open the bracket, it will be plus 4 root 5 plus 9. So be careful there. So here, plus 4 root 5 minus 4 root 5 cancels out. So we have minus 18. And here minus 9 and plus 9 cancels out, and 4 root 5 is 8 root 5. So now we have the value of A plus B and A minus B. A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B, which is minus 18 into 8 root 5, which is minus 144 root 5. Very important question. Yes, somebody wanted to clarify something. Please ask me.
It's from the previous working, I've done it wrong. The B.
Sorry?
The previous working, we have done it wrong.
Oh, I've cleared the screen. Previous working meaning when I annotated here, is it?
Yes, sir.
Darling, I cleared it, so. Can you just tell me where?
It's from, instead of 1, we have written 4 root 5 minus 9.
Instead of 1, I wrote?
4 root 5 minus 9.
Okay, I'm not able to recall. Anyways, you have it here.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Clear, children? That is the next question. Let's see the answer. See here. X is given to be 5 minus root 21 by 2. Look at the denominator. It's rational. Okay. Now we need to find 1 by x. 1 by x. What is 1 by x? 1 by x is the reciprocal of x. 1 by x is the reciprocal of x. So what is 1 by x? 2 by 5 minus root 21. The denominator is irrational. So rationalize using the conjugate. 5 plus root 21. So multiply the numerator and denominator with 5 plus root 21. Now, so this is what it is. Now multiply the numerators. So 2 into 2 and in brackets 5 plus root 21 divided by, this is a minus b into a plus b. So a squared minus b squared. 5 the whole square minus root 21 the whole square. Now I've told you, don't multiply. We'll see if we'll get a number in the denominator which can be cancelled out with 2. So don't multiply 2 with the terms inside the bracket. Just wait for the denominator to simplify completely. So this will come down as it is. Now this is 25 minus 21. 25 minus 21 is 4. The numerator as it is, 4. Now you can cancel. 2 1s are, 2 2s are. So 1 by x is 5 plus root 21 by 2. 2 1s are, 2 2s are. So 5 plus root 21 by 2. 1 by x is equal to 5 plus root 21 by 2. Okay, the denominator is rational. That's what we want. The denominator is rational. So we found 1 by x. This is 1 by x. Next, we need to find x plus 1 by x. So this is x and this is 1 by x. See, you should not take this one for 1 by x. You should not take the one where the denominator is irrational. We have rationalized it. No, you should take that one. So x plus 1 by x. This is x. This is 1 by x. So common denominator is 2. You know how to simplify this. The common denominator is 2. So we have 5 minus root 21 plus 5 plus root 21. So here cancels 5 plus 5, 10, 10 by 2, which is 5. 10 by 2, which is 5. Correct? So we found the value of x plus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x is 5. Next, we need to find x squared plus 1 by x squared. So that can be got by squaring this equation on both the sides. What do you have? We have x plus 1 by x is equal to 5. We just found that, no? X plus 1 by x is equal to 5. See, maybe I can just write x plus 1 by x everywhere for you. X plus 1 by x is equal to x plus 1 by x is equal to. So x plus 1 by x is equal to 5. Now square this on both the sides. For this procedure, you know, you're familiar with this. So square it on both the sides to find the value of x squared plus 1 by x. Yeah. Work this.
2x. How come this 2x became 2 this?
Yeah, because x and this will get cancelled, no? Correct?
Yes, yes.
Finished? Online children? Finish working?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, do this one. So you can see the expression for x, the denominator is irrational. For y also, the denominator is irrational. So the first step is to rationalize the denominators of x and y. Then we should find x plus y. X plus y. To find x, what's the formula, children? What's the formula? What is x square plus y square? It is x plus y the whole square minus 2xy. Correct? X plus, let me see how I have worked it here. Oh, I don't have the answer for this. Okay. Let's do it now. So it's x plus y the whole square minus 2xy, right? So you need to find the value of x plus y and xy. And for x square minus y square, how do you find x square minus y square? It's x plus y into x minus y. So what we'll do, we'll find the value of x plus y, x minus y, and xy. So we'll keep all the values ready. Then we can find x square plus y square and x square minus y square. Yes, I. Conjugate. No, I have to give a feedback to your mom. So today's class will decide that. What's a conjugate of the denominator?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yeah,
Root 5 plus root 3.
correct. What's the next step? Next step? Root 5 plus
Can
root
I
3, the whole square by, yeah. Correct. Next. Very good. Tell me. Yes. Okay, I'm just writing root 3 the whole square plus 2 into divided by then next. There's a plus sign in the middle, you cannot cancel.
From the 2 and 2 gets cancelled.
No, you cannot. Because the connecting sign is plus, so you cannot cancel.
Common.
Very good. Common. Should take out 2 common. Very good, Yarni. 2 common. So 2 4s are 8 plus root 15 by 2. Now cancel the 2 and 2. So x is equal to 4 plus root 15. Yeah, write this. Then we'll continue with y. One the previous line? Finished? Yeah, now let's take up y. Y is given √5 minus √3 by √5 plus √3. What's the conjugate?
√5 minus √3.
Correct.
The whole square minus the whole square.
Correct. Next.
It implies the whole square plus sorry the whole square. Minus plus
No, minus because a minus b.
that's by
Very good. Yeah. Write this. Online children must participate.
Completed now.
Good. If you want to go ahead, next you'll have to find x plus y, then x minus y, and then xy. Go on to find the value of x plus y, x minus y, and xy. And then we need to answer these questions. Find the value of x squared plus y squared and x squared minus y squared. To work these two, you need to get these values first.
Ma'am, can you please go
Yeah.
to the previous slide?
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, let's find x plus y. From your book, tell me, what's the expression for x? What do you have? X is equal to root
4 plus √15.
and what's the value of y?
4 minus √15.
Correct. The connecting sign plus because x plus y. Open the bracket. What's the value? 8.
8.
Next find x minus y. Yeah, good. X This is X. This is Y, correct? Minus sign, right? So minus into plus, there's a plus here. So minus into plus minus 4. Then minus into minus plus root 15. Okay. Yeah, 1 second, 1 second. So Surya, what is root 15 plus root 15? No, darling, that is root 15 into root 15. What is root 15 plus root 15? Huh? No. No.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yeah?
2 root 15.
2 root 15. Okay, so you need to get the difference carefully. Root 15 into root 15 is 15. Root 15 plus root 15 is like 1 root 15 plus 1 root 15. Okay, like 1x plus 1x is 2x. So 2 root 15. 2 root 15. Okay, 2 root 15. Next, we need to find the value of xy. Xy. X into y. So this is x. And this is y. X into y. So Surya, this looks like what?
A plus into A plus
Correct. So what's the result? What is a plus b into a minus b?
A plus, A square
Mm.
minus B.
Correct. So 4 square minus root 15 the whole square. Correct? 4 square is? No, that is root 4. Yeah, 16 minus. What is root 15 into root 15? 15. And 16 minus 15 is 1. Correct? That's it. So this is the pre-work. So you should keep all these values ready. Now we'll find the first one, which is x squared plus y squared. What's the identity? X squared plus y squared is equal to x plus y the whole square minus 2xy. What's the value of x plus y? 8. 8 square minus 2xy. 2 into 1. So 64 minus 2, 62. Next, we'll have to find x square minus y square, which is x plus y into x minus y. The value of x plus y is 8. X minus y is 2 root 15. So that is 16 root 15. All right. Please complete the answer.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay. Done, children? Okay. What's the next question? If A is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, find A cube plus 1 by A cube. So the procedure is this. You need to find A plus 1 by A and cube it on both the sides. Find A plus 1 by A and cube that equation on both the sides. Yeah. Take the help of the slide, work it, and then we'll discuss. The identities we saw in the last class, and this right here, you can check it. Finished? Good. Finished, Sai? Done, Hari? Yeah. Online children, finish working this one? Okay. So this part is familiar, children. Okay. Even if I explain, I'm sure you will not internalize that at all. So this part you're comfortable now. So we need to find a plus 1 by a plus 1 by a. Okay, so this is a 3 plus 2 root 2. And this is 1 by a 3 minus 2 root 2. A plus 1 by a. Add the two expressions. So plus 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2 gets cancelled. So a plus 1 by a is 6. 3 plus 3, 6. Now cube this on both the sides. So what's the identity? What is a plus b the whole cube? It's a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So you can see it here. A plus b the whole cube. This is a. This is b the whole cube. Okay. This is a. This is b the whole cube. A plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube. So you can see this one, a cubed plus b cube, 1 by a the whole cube, which is 1 by a cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab, 3 into a into 1 by a, 3 into a into 1 by a, 3ab into a plus b, a plus 1 by a. See, this is a and this is b. Is equal to 6 cube, which is 216. So here 3ab. This a and a will get cancelled. Here you cannot cancel because the sign between them is plus. If the sign between them is plus, you cannot cancel. Plus or minus, you cannot cancel. So inside the bracket, you cannot cancel the a and a. This you can cancel because between them is a multiplication sign. So a gets cancelled, a and a gets cancelled. And the value of a plus 1 by a is 6. See, the value of a plus 1 by a is 6. So use that. So you have a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3 into 6, because the value of a plus 1 by a is 6, is equal to 216. Okay. Now 3 into 6 is 18. So minus 18 plus 18 minus 18. So 216 minus 18 is 198. So the value of a cube plus 1 by a cube is 198. All right. Your online children, any clarifications, please ask me. This is the next one. Now let's understand what we'll get when we square this one. We'll square this. We'll see what we'll get when we square this. What is root a minus 1 by root a the whole square? What is it? Root a the whole square plus 1 by root a the whole square minus 2 into root a into 1 by root a. Correct? So what is root a the whole square? A. What is 1 by root a the whole square? 1 by a. And cancels out, right? Minus 2. So what we'll do, we'll find the value of a plus 1 by a. We'll find the value of a plus 1 by a. Okay, do that. That is a is what? 5 minus 2 root 6. The denominator is rational. 1 by a will be 1 by 5 minus 2 root 6. The denominator is irrational, so rational is the denominator. So then find out a plus 1 by a. Okay, since I have the working, I'll just explain it further. So see here, children. This is A given to us. This is 1 by A. Please see here, this is 1 by A with a rational denominator. Excuse me. This is 1 by A with a rational denominator. Okay. So now let's find A plus 1 by A. A plus 1 by A. So this is A plus this 1 by A. All right. So what do you get? Minus 2 root 6 plus 2 root 6. Cancels. 5 plus 5, 10. The value of A plus 1 by A is 10. Now take up what has to be evaluated and square it on both the sides. Sorry, square it, not on both the sides. This is an expression. So write that root A minus 1 by root A and square it. We need to find the value of this expression, right? Root A minus 1 by root A. Write that and square it. So when you square it, you have to expand it. Where are we? A denominator rational. 1 by A denominator was irrational, so we rationalized it. Then we found A plus 1 by A. Okay, so till here we are clear. Further, we have to find the value of this expression. Write that and square it. So this is what you get on expanding. This we just understood. Okay, we did it together. So now root A and root A gets cancelled. Root A the whole square is A minus 2 plus 1 by A. We worked all this, we just worked it. So there's nothing but A plus 1 by A minus 2. Now what's the value of A plus 1 by A? 10. So 10 minus 2. I've written using this 1. Okay, 10 minus 2. So 8. So root A minus 1 by root A, the whole square is 8. See, we are working. See, this is what continues. Root A minus 1 by root A, the whole square, right, is 8. So root A minus 1 by root A is equal to, like, A square is equal to 8. So what is A? The square root of 8. If A square is 8, what is A? The square root of 8. Similarly, root A minus 1 by root A, the whole square is 8. So root A minus 1 by root A is equal to the square root of 8. And square root of 8 is what? 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. So from 2 2s, 1 2 out. So 2 root 2. Yeah, right on.
You stop sharing the screen.
Yes, Sai Smriti?
You stop sharing the screen.
No. I have shared my screen. Just leave and rejoin. I think that should help.
Okay.
What about the others? Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am, visible.
Okay.
Completed, ma'am.
Yeah. So to find the value of root a minus 1 by root a, minus 1 by root a, you should understand that when you square this expression, these are the terms you get, and that works to a plus 1 by a minus 2. So that's why we, prepared that. We found the value of a plus 1 by a. We are given the expression for a. Then we found 1 by a, denominator irrational, so we rationalized it. So we have 1 by a here, and after which we find a plus 1 by a, which is 10. So now this expression has to be squared and expanded. You get a square minus 2ab plus b square. So later you get a plus 1 by a minus 2. Use the value a plus 1 by a is 10, 10 minus 2, 8. Root a minus 1 by root a, the whole square is 8. So root a minus 1 by root a will be the square root of 8, which is 2 root 2. Yeah. Do this. Online children, use the emoji, raise your hand. Okay, Aishwarya, Sai Smriti, Lakshana, Shriya, Harsha, and Gayatri. Okay, good. All right, children, thank you. Yeah, continue writing. Finished? Haridarshan, you have to watch the recordings. Done writing? Okay. Online children? Finish writing? Okay, so to find the value of both these expressions, we need the value of x plus 1 by x. You must remember this like theory. To find the value of root x plus 1 by root x and root x minus 1 by root x, you need the value of x plus 1 by x. We need the value of x plus 1 by x. So have the value of x plus 1 by x ready. Then take up this expression. See the board. Take up the expression. Okay. And square it. Square that expression. Square and expand it. You get these three terms, right? Write this expression, square it. So meaning you'll have to expand it using the identity. So a square to ab, b square. So that works to x plus 1 by x plus 2. Now, x plus 1 by x, here we have the value 16. So 16 plus 2, 18. But what is 18? Root x plus 1 by root x, the whole square is 18. So root x plus 1 by root x is the square root of 18. 18 is 9 into 2, which is 3 root 2. Because 9 comes out as 3. 9 out of the square root is 3. So 3 root 2. Root x minus 1 by root x. Square it, expand it. So here also you get x plus 1 by x, but minus 2. X plus 1 by x minus 2. So 16 minus 2, 14. Root x minus 1 by root x, the whole square is 14. So root x minus 1 by root x is the square root of 14. 14 is 2 into 7. There's 1, 2 and 1, 7. So neither of them can come out of the square root. So you just leave it as root 14. All right. Any clarifications? The clarifications, children? Online children, any questions?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Have you all finished writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. Online children can leave the call. Good night. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am. Good night.
Thank you. Good night.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Good night.